Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so, children, what is the mean by perimeter? What do you mean by perimeter?
The length around
Distance around
the distance around the
closed figure. Okay, distance around a
distance around the closed figure.
So how we will find out this? It is the sum of the length. Okay, sum of the length of a closed figure. We can say also like that. Sum of the length of the closed figure. And children, we learned the formula to find the perimeter. So what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle? Brightlin? Rectangle.
Ma'am, 2 into L plus B.
Very good. 2 times L plus B. 2
L
times
plus
L
B.
plus B. This L plus B, we will write in the bracket. So usually when we do the calculation, we will do the calculation inside the bracket. So 2 times L plus B. Okay. Now, Anina, can you say the formula for the perimeter of a square? Square?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am.
Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, square, right?
Square.
Is 4 into side.
4 into side. Okay. Anina, can you say it again? What is the perimeter of a square? Is there any problem with the set? Can you hear me? Yes or no? No, it's not audible. So 4 times side, 4 into side. So children, why? Because it's for a square, all the sides are equal. So adding 4 times, that means that is equal to 4 into S. So 4 into S, that is the perimeter of a square, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus B. So children, we will continue with our workbook problems.
Okay.
Yes. Ammo, can you read question number 4?
Ma'am,
Question number 4.
can B and BC represent?
A, B and DC. What is that? Is it area or length or breadth or perimeter? A, B and CD.
How much does 1 by
Ma'am,
2 and 1 by
length.
4 of the
Ma'am, it's length.
Length. Very good. So children, here it is given. Okay. That A, B, C, D. So the question is A, B, C, D. What are they? It's the length. Length. Okay.
A, B and DC.
A, B and DC, they are the length. So children, I will write the answers here. Question number 1.
Option B.
Question number 2. Option B. Question number 3.
Option
A.
Question number 4.
Option B.
Option B. Okay, this much we have done. This is page number
Page number
94. Children, this is page number 94 from the workbook. And till question number 4 we have done. And children, next question is area. No need that. The question number 7. Question number 7. 5, 6 we are not writing now. Now we are going to write question number 7. Yes, Gautam. Question number 7.
Perimeter of a rectangle is given by
Which is the formula?
2 into
2 times
2 times L plus B.
Yes, very good. 2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B. This is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Now, question number 8. Adil?
Ma'am, we should write multiply sign.
No need. No need. Just if you are not writing anything here, that means this is multiply. Okay. And this 2 times, we are saying like that. 2 into L plus B. No need to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 8. Can you read?
Perimeter of a square is given by dash.
Perimeter
4
of
into S.
yes, 4 into S. We will simply write 4S. This means children 4 into S. No need to write 4 into S like this. It is understood when we do 4 into S, it is 4S. Okay. Next one, a cube of edge 1 centimeter is called. Children, 1 centimeter, we will use this for area. This 1 centimeter cube, this is called a unit cube. Unit. 1 means it is unit. Cube of edge 1 is a unit cube.
Ma'am, like square centimeter.
Huh?
Ma'am, like square centimeter.
No, this is, we will say a unit fraction. What is unit fraction? Numerator 1. Okay. So this is a square with all the...
Screen.
I will share the screen. With the unit means 1. 1 centimeter on 1 meter. This is called a unit. For unit fraction, what we'll say? 1, numerator 1. Like that. Okay. Question number 10 is area. Question number... Next one, question number 12. Yes, children? Question number 12. Yes, Anandesh, can you read question number 12?
Yes, ma'am. A rectangle is 4 meters long and 2 meters wide. What is its perimeter?
Perimeter. So that length is given, also its breadth, wide, 2 meters wide. Okay, so children, you have to write the formula. What is the formula?
2
Perimeter.
into L plus,
L plus
B.
B. Okay, so children, you can
L
write
plus
B
B.
together. Perimeter of a rectangle. You should write this, okay? Otherwise, you will not study the formula. This formula is very important for all the classes. So, perimeter of a rectangle, that is equal to 2 times L plus B. So, children, what is the length here? What is the length given? 4, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, we can directly write the formula.
Here, this much only directly we have written perimeter of rectangle.
But not
Directly I have
that.
written
But
2
not
into L plus
that.
B.
When 2 into L plus B, that we can write directly.
I have written directly here. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. That is what we have written.
2 for
2 times L plus B. Directly we have written, yes?
Ma'am, 2 for 4 plus 2.
Ma'am, like 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 into.
And we have to write this formula. This is very compulsory. We have to write. Is it very important to write this step? 2 into L plus B. That is very important.
Ma'am, so
And what is
6
B?
into 2 we should write it, right?
2. So 2 times. What is there inside 4 plus 2? What is 4 plus 2?
6.
6. 4
So
plus
6
2.
into 2 is equal to 12.
That is 6. So that means 2 into 6. What is 2 into 6? Yes, Anadesh, you can say now. All of this be quiet. Yes, Anadesh.
Ma'am, 2 into 6, 12.
12. And tell me the unit. Look at here on the question. Length and breadth is given in which unit?
Ma'am, meters.
Meter. So 12
meters.
meter. Okay, children. 12 meter. So if you are getting like this question, if it is instead of rectangle, it can be square. You have to write the formula first. Perimeter of a rectangle. And that is, you have to write this formula 2 times L plus B. That is very important. After writing 2 into L plus B, instead of length, you have to write that is 4. Breadth, instead of breadth, you have to write that is 2. Now, the calculation inside the bracket, 4 plus 2, you have to write it first, that is 6. And later on, you can do this calculation. 2 into 6, that is 12. After that, you have to write this unit. That is also very important. Yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Is that clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, question number...
Ma'am, so 13th question, can we do it?
You have to do now alone. Question number...
Okay, ma'am.
Question number A is rectangle. Question number B is square. You have
Ma'am,
to
in
first
this
write.
also we should write that perimeter of a rectangle is equal
Yes,
to
yes,
into.
yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Anushree.
Ma'am, same like 12, right?
Same question by 12. Same number, same like question by 12. I will write the.
Ma'am, I did it.
Those who have done, please check whether it is correct. So question number, find the perimeter of a rectangle. You have to perimeter of a rectangle. You can do alone, then check from the board. Perimeter of a rectangle. Write the formula. Two times L plus B. Find out the answer. Now question number B. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. So what is the formula? 4 into S, or you can write simply 4S. We will write small s only, okay? 4S. Here 4 into, what is the length?
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finished.
Both.
Chris Joe, tell me the answer of question number A. 2 times. What is the, instead of length, what we had to write? Length is given.
2 plus 6.
Which is the length?
6.
6. Okay. 6 plus breadth is
2.
2. Okay. So children, instead of length, you should write 6. Instead of breadth, you have to write 2. Now, 2 into, what is this? 6 plus 2?
8.
8. So 2 into 8 is
16.
16. Look at the unit. Is it centimeter or meter?
Centimeter.
16 centimeter.
Centimeter.
Children, please check whether you got correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Madhav, next one. 4 into side. What is the side given?
Yes,
Madhav? Madhav, can you hear me? Question number B. Look at the square. What is the one side? Look at the square.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Look at the square. Question number B. 13th B. And tell me, the side is what?
Understand properly this.
Huh?
I did not understand this properly.
What did you say?
Ma'am, I do not understand this.
I'm asking, look at the figure. Question number 13th, question B. Can you say what is that figure? Which shape?
Square.
Square. And the side measurement is given. What is that measurement? Can you see from the figure?
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. Only that much I asked. What is the? Listen to the question. Okay. There is the everything. Look at the board. That is 4. Now tell me 4 into 4. 4 into 4?
16.
Very good. 16. Can you now look at there in the picture? Is it centimeter? Is it meter? What is that?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. So 16 centimeter. Okay. 16 centimeter. Children, please check whether you got these two questions correct. Question number A is 16 centimeter.
I got both
Question number B is
correct.
also.
Ma'am, I got same answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, both are correct.
Both are correct. Okay. Okay, so children, this perimeter is very easy. Tanya, please mute your audio. So children, this perimeter is very easy. You have to look at the formula. 2 times L plus B. Just look at the formula and try to write. Instead of length, what is given in the picture. Instead of breadth, what is given. And for square, 4 times side.
Ma'am, for triangle.
Triangle, we will just add all the sides.
Okay.
Okay.
So there is formula.
So children, we will do now question number 15. 1-5. Question number 14 also perimeter is there, but that we will do together. Perimeter and
Ma'am, I finished.
area together.
Question
Question number
number
15.
ma'am.
Question number 15. All of you. Question number A. What is given? Question number A. Triangle. And here it is 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. You have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the given triangle. Perimeter of the given triangle. Perimeter of the given triangle. Sum of all its sides. We can just simply write sum of, there is no formula. So what we'll write? Sum of all its sides. Sum of all its sides. So it is here 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Find out the answer. Dash centimeter. Sum of all its sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What's the answer, Ammu?
Ma'am,
What's the answer?
12.
12 centimeter. Okay, 12 centimeter. Okay, children, finished? All of you got the answer? Can you show me your thumbs up? Did you get the answer 12 centimeter? Yes. Now next one is a rectangle, and B and C is rectangle, and the last one is square. Children, you can do alone. Question number B. Perimeter of the given rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. Madhav? Madhav, can you tell me the formula? Rectangle. Madhav? Yes, Madhav? Can you tell me the formula for finding the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 times?
2 times L plus B.
Very good. 2 times L plus B. Okay, children, find out alone. 2 times. What is length and what is breadth? Yes, Devak, what is the answer? Devak?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer? 2 into
14.
5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 2 into, what is 5 plus 2? What's the answer? 14 centimeter. Now question number B, question number C, the same. Same for, can do faster. All of you. Perimeter of the given rectangle, write again the formula 2 into L plus B. Then 2 times. Chinmay? Can you tell me what is the length and what is the breadth of question number C?
6 and 12.
6 and 12. So 12 is the length and 6
is
is
the
the
breadth.
okay, breadth. So 2 times, what do you have to find out?
2 times 18.
2 times 18. So what's the answer? 2 times 18?
36
36. 36 what unit?
centimeter.
Centimeter. So children, it's compulsory. You have to write the unit, perimeter, centimeter. So if it is meter, centimeter, millimeter, you have to see the question and just simply write. Okay, question number D. Next one. Nandita? I think your, can you hear me? Your network is looking unstable. Can you hear me? Nandita? Yes, Alim, can you show me your book? Alim Sian, can you show me your book, workbook? Where is Alim Sian? Yes, Anusri, find out the answer of question number D.
Yes, ma'am. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into sides.
Perimeter.
Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into sides.
Okay. Alim, are you writing? I cannot see your book. Where is your book? Question number 15th 1D. That is a square. So perimeter of the square. What's the formula? Yes, Anusri? Perimeter of the square. Yes, Anusri?
Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into sides.
4 into side. 4. S.
So,
4 into, which is the
6
side?
into 4.
4 times 6. Then?
4 times 6.
24.
So, 6 into 4.
24.
24.
Okay. Okay, children. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Now can you show the board?
yes, yes. Perimeter of the square. 4 into side. 4 into 6. 24. It's over.
Man, can you show the first one? Man, can you show the first
I will
one?
send the, children, I will send the answers. Okay. I will send the answers after the class. And children, so we learned what is a perimeter. Perimeter means distance around the closed figure. Now, next we are going to learn area. What's that? Area. So here, children, for this perimeter means distance around the figure. And here, what is area? The amount of surface covered by the region, covered by this closed figure. So inside, how much amount of surface that figure is covered? Yes, Agni?
Ma'am, I know the area.
Area. Okay. Can you say what is area?
Area is the amount of surface covered by the figure.
Okay. So area is the amount of surface. So when you see your car porch and all, we'll say inside how much area? How much area? So this classroom, how much area means inside how much that portion it's covered by the region. Okay, covered by. So children, let me see. I will show you the perimeter, area and volume. Just listen. Okay, so perimeter means the area. Perimeter means the distance around the figure. Okay, now area, please listen. I will show the.
Toby's study room is 4 meter by 2 meter. He wants to find its perimeter. He knows that perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So, the perimeter of the study room is equal to 2 into 4 plus 2 meter is equal to 2 into 6 meter is equal to 12 meter. Good work, Toby. Area. Toby also wants to find the area of his room. He knows that area of the room is equal to length into breadth. So he writes area A is equal to 4 meter into 2 meter, which is equal to 8 square meter. Volume. Teacher Rosie has her blackboard in her backyard, on which she describes the measurement of a cube. Length is 1 centimeter, breadth and height are also 1 centimeter each. So, the volume is length into breadth into height, or 1 into 1 into 1 equals 1 cubic centimeter. She now has 4 cubes of equal size on the board. Together, they form a big cube. The volume of this big cube is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4 cubic centimeter. Thank you, ma'am.
So children, to find the area also we have formula. So did you understood the formula from the video? Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Square, side into side. Side into
Side.
Okay, so children, I'll just write here the formula. Please listen. Area. What is area? The space or the amount of surface. Just some sound. Okay, children. So it is, what is area? Perimeter, we know that is only the boundary. Perimeter means only the boundary or the distance around the figure. So what is area? It is inside the figure or inside the region, how much surface that is covered. So children, here for area of rectangle, we have the formula. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. And children, the unit is square unit. Square unit. We are multiplying length. For example, if we have 5 centimeter, we are multiplying with 4 centimeter. You will get 5 into 4, 20 square centimeter. This is square units. Area, the unit of area is square units. And what about the area of square? Side into side. Side into side. Side into side. So for example, we have to find out the area of a square with 3 centimeters. So what do you have to do? 3 into 3, side into side. So what is area? That is the amount of surface. Amount of surface or a region. So we have here to find the formula. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. And area of square is side into side. Side into side. So perimeter and area, don't get confused. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B. And what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. And a perimeter of a square is 4 into S. 4 side. 4 into S. And area of square, side into side. So children, area of a square. If we have a square, this is one side, side into side, side into side. And area of rectangle, area of rectangle, length into breadth, length into breadth. So L into B, L into B. Now children, from this rectangle, we are going to make the formula for a triangle. Now look here, that one triangle, rectangle, length and breadth. Now look here, I can make this divide into 2. Divide the rectangle into 2. So this is a triangle and this is a triangle. So Adinad, can you tell me what will be the formula or to find the area of a triangle? Triangle. Can you look at the yes.
B and L.
B and L total, that is rectangle. And can you see any relation in between this rectangle and triangle?
Yes, ma'am. When we cut the rectangle into 2, we will get triangle.
So what will be the area of this rectangle? It will be half. Yes, half of L into B. Half of L into B. Look here, this is the area of a triangle and this is only half of the full rectangle. So from the formula to find the area of a rectangle, we can find out the area of triangle. So what is the area of triangle? Half of L into B, half of length into breadth. Yes, Agnay.
Ma'am, can you show an example for that?
We will do. Okay. So, area of a rectangle. Children, what is the area of rectangle? You have to tell me the formula. Area of rectangle into breadth. What is the area of a square? Side into side. And area of triangle?
Half of L into
Half of L into B. Now, children, I will give you questions you have to do in the rough book using this formula.
Can you
have a doubt.
have
a doubt.
I have.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you do an example?
Yes, children, we are going to do. That's why I told you to do that area of the rectangle. This is 8 and this is 2. So area of rectangle. Tell me the formula of rectangle. Area of rectangle.
L into B.
L into B. Length into breadth. So children, what is the length here? What is the length here? 8. So 8 into 2. What's the answer?
Who is the bread?
Tell, who is
Tania's audio is unmuted.
Who?
Tania.
Children, please mute your audio. Okay, when you say the answer. 8 into 2. Tell me the answer.
8 into 2 is equal to
16.
Square
So,
centimeter.
children, here square centimeter. If I am writing here centimeter, it will be square centimeter. If I am writing here meter, it will be square meter.
Square meter.
Okay, so this will be the unit of area. Unit of area. Okay, now next one, quickly find out the next one. Area of a square. Area of square.
into side.
Formula side into side. Side into side. So I will draw here one square with 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Yes, children, find out.
40 square centimeter.
What is the side into side? 10 into 10.
100. 100.
Who is
100
doing
square
here
centimeter.
perimeter? Who is doing perimeter? Side into side. Side into side.
Side into side.
So we should
Area
multiply all the sides.
One
Square
side.
equal to
10
side
into
into
10. Side into side. So what
Side
is
into
one
side.
side? 10. Again. Side. Another side. 10 into 10. What's the answer?
Centimeter. 100 centimeter.
Square centimeter. So remember this formula, children. Square is side into side. Side into side. Area of that triangle we will do again next class. Now is the time up. Triangle of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Length into breadth. That also you had to remember. Area of rectangle. Length into breadth. Area of square. Side into side. Okay, children, for this we will do more problems in the next class. But children, I will send the notes with this formula. Last class, have you completed the notes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
21st.
So this
Yes, ma'am.
This formula, you have to be thorough with the formula. I will send the notes. Study for the next class. Okay, children, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.